Hello coders, in this particular video we will be taking a deep into the Excel on how to on how to hide rows and columns in Excel spreadsheet. So using shortcut, so what you can do is that you can click on this particular C column and right click, and then you can select this particular option, hide, the shortcut to which is not being shown by Excel. So what you need to do is that this is not Alto. I made a mistake. It will be Control plus O, CTRL plus O, while to hide row it is CTRL plus 9. So let's try it out. We will be pressing Control plus O. I mean Control plus 0, not O. That's 0. 0. Numeric 0. While if you want to hide some columns, so maybe sham this one and this one and this one. So 3, 5 and 7, and press Control 9. So all of the rows which I had selected by pressing Control key, all of those rows has been made hidden by Excel. Now how to unhide? Simply click on this corner of the Excel sheet and click anywhere between any two columns and right click and then unhide. Again click anywhere between the Excel sheet between two rows and right click and then select the unhide option. That's how you can hide and unhide some rows and columns in Excel by either right clicking on the particular column or the row and then selecting the hide option. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut key Control plus 0 or Control plus 9. Control plus 0 stands for hiding the column, while Control plus 9 stands for hiding the row. That's all for this short video tutorial, and happy coding guys.